Now the work has been done and the play is at hand. The concert performance, toward which all the effort has been directed for days past, putting together all the details, listening with one ear to themselves and with the other to the sound around them, keeping the music in the line of vision to the conductor with one eye and on the stick out of the corner of the other. Sell's objective is to make of the mathematics of Beethoven's finale, its quarters and halves, eighths and sixteenths, dots and rests, a living, flowing pulse of music.